What up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. I'm J-Dub, and today I'm bringing you part 2 of the Gen 1 Dodge Neon restoration. So, like I said, the first couple of videos are going to be kind of weird because I didn't know if I was actually going to make this into a series or not. But the first one's getting pretty positive feedback, so I figure, you know what, I'm just going to post the videos up there, and hopefully they'll just get better and better as I go along. So part 2's actually kind of got like 2 separate parts to it. I was going to make 2 separate videos, but there really wasn't enough footage to really justify 2 videos. The first part of the video is actually going to be us drilling out the spot welds on the radiator support on the red car, and then taking that off because that thing was just shot. It had to be replaced. So that's going to be the first part. The second part's actually us being at the junkyard, getting a whole bunch of parts off of a couple of different Neons, Gen 1 Neons that we needed, a hood, radiator support, and all that stuff. So, like I said, this video may not be crazy long. Like I said, the video after this will be a little bit longer, and hopefully within the next 2 or 3 videos, these start getting a little bit more in depth and stuff like that. Like I said, I don't really want this to turn into like a how-to as much as just kind of a documentation of the car coming back to life. But like I said, I've gotten great feedback so far. Please, if you guys can, show me some feedback. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get on to it.
Back out.
And now the radiator support is out. It's smiling. You can't tell yet, but it's out. This thing got so hit, but it's so lucky because it just didn't fuck the frame. So awesome. We're keeping this for now because of this little jobby radiator. Actual Mopar Performance PCM sticker. I want to try to preserve that. Block of wood.
Yep. Okay, it's pretty much straight.
Nice. Nice! Alright, so part 2 of this documentary on the first gen 98 Neon. It has a lower control arm now, so it rolled into the garage. And Chris is now drilling out all of the pop welds, or spot welds, sorry. So we can replace the entire front radiator support. If you don't know Chris, what you should know is cars don't like to make him angry because he'll always win.
Oh, there's one right there.
On the inside?
No, it's just still attached. I'll probably have to pop it up just a little bit. Probably just use a little persuasion.
A little persuasion. That's always the question. All right, so now we got a blue 99 RT that this isn't an RT though, this is a Sport. How'd we miss that? Right. I was about to say, dude, I could have swore on everything holy that if it was an RT, it automatically came standard with disc brakes. What's funny about it is, though, check this out. A dual fan on a 5-speed. Not sure what that's about. Maybe because it's a dual overhead cam?
Could be because it's a sport, too.
Could be. Got that header there. All right, so here's the result of all the parts that we got off of this 99 sedan. Got a lot of good parts off of it. We got the radiator support here. We got both of the fenders. We're not going to take the hood because it's not a bulge hood. Chris wants a bulge hood, but we've got an RT. You can try. We got an RT over there that has a bulge hood, so we're probably just going to take that. It's blue, it's not white, which kind of sucks, but we also have a blue bumper because it's got the fog light assembly, and it's in pretty good shape. What'd you find? What was it?
The gen that they made for 2.2 turbos.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. It's an automatic car.
Oh.
Thank Christ.
All right, I'm about to cry on that one if it was a manual car. 85. Dude, they got a lot of first gen minivans in here. It's actually kind of surprising.
Yeah, I still gotta get stuff for Destiny's car too.
Did you find anything for Destiny's car?
Here's one.
Oh, I didn't know you were grabbing a fender from that.
Little fender. There it is, right there, isn't it? Well, there's a few other ones in here.
But we got the steel bumper, headlight buckets in there. Got a lot of good stuff. There's the fenders and the radiator support. So we're gonna move on to the RT and get anything we can out of that. Chris found kind of a cool thing that we don't normally find, and that is the glow key. I don't know where the glow key went though. Did you take the glow key, dude? Oh, okay. Oh, just wanted to put it. It's a glow key. Very, very hard to find, very rare, but we took every frickin' cylinder out of the doors, the trunk, and the ignition just so we could use this glow key. We're gonna have to make like 5 copies of this just so, because how worn it is though. It'll be alright. Here, let's get that back to you. All right, what are we moving on to next? The RT or the maroon one?
Probably the maroon one.
All right, let's do that then. All right, guys, so that was part 2. Like I said, I know these first couple of videos are a little sketchy. Like I said, I didn't know if I was actually going to turn this into a series or not, but you know what? I'm just doing it. So if you see something, you know, or you know something that we don't know or something like that, please leave a comment down below. We've already gotten some really good feedback from the video, and I want to keep it going and just keep the momentum going for it. So if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. It's a huge help to me. It helps the channel grow. Hit that thumbs up. Hit the bell icon if you want updates whenever I post a video. I'm posting all kinds of different videos right now. I've got my I got my Gen 2, my buddy's motorcycle. We've been doing mods of that. We have this Gen 1 restoration that I'm doing right now. If the DeLorean ever gets back to me, we'll be doing some videos with that. So like I said, just keep watching the video, guys. I appreciate every single one of you who have been supportive and have been watching the videos and everything else. And you know what? Until next video, I'll see you guys then.